I'm going to be showing you 3 incredible apps that will help you stack up a little cash on the side of whatever your full-time income is. The first 2 apps that I'll be talking to you about will pay you just for installing them and will rack up some passive income over time, while the third app will pay you $600 for doing something that's super simple, but that most people don't know about. If you want to make money from your phone without paying a single dime, without having fancy skills or experience, without being a TikTok influencer, make sure to pay close attention to every single minute of this money-making video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button, hit subscribe and that bell icon, and let's get into it. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have a PayPal account, because that's how you're going to get paid. So if you don't already have an account, just head to paypal.com and sign up for an account for free. It's super easy and simple to sign up. You just need your basic information and you fill everything out like you would when you create a social media account. A lot of methods that we talk about on this channel use PayPal as the way to pay you guys, so it would just make life easier if you have a PayPal account ready to go. Once you've done that, let's have a look at our first app today. And our first app is moneysmsapp.com. This is their official website, but obviously we'll just install this app directly onto our smartphone device. It's such an amazing app. Imagine earning money by just letting your phone exist. That's pretty much it. You're going to connect your phone number to this website and they're going to be sending you random texts. You don't even have to open them. They just have to send you texts and you're going to earn money by receiving text messages from them. All you have to do is download it, receive text from them. You don't even have to respond. You don't even have to read it. And this is a very secure app. It's not going to take away your data or anything. They're not going to spy on you. They're not going to read your messages or access any of your private personal information. They won't do anything sneaky beyond what they promise that they will do with your phone. And you're going to earn money from that. Super easy, I know. I should point out though that this specific app is available to Android users only. But don't worry, if you're an iOS user, I've saved the best for last just for you. As you can see, Money SMS app is automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. And they also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referral's earnings. So if you refer a friend of this app and then they sign up, once they make $100, you will get $30 for absolutely free, completely passively, forever. And you can share your referral link anywhere and everywhere to make money. So on Facebook groups, Instagram, or even just by directly messaging people that you think would be interested. So there's many ways you can make passive income with this app. Go ahead and check this out. Check out the reviews, payment proofs, and of course, go ahead and sign up for a free account. The next app is called Cash Magnet, and to get to their website, just type in cashmagnetapp.com, and that should take you here. Get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet and you can already buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it, by simply running the app. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. Now, here are some useful facts. What is Cash Magnet? It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. How can I redeem my points? You can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. How much can I earn? Well, it actually depends on many things, namely on what country you are from, what version of Android you use, how many games you installed, how long Cash Magnet runs on your phone, whether your phone is rooted or not. So there's no universal answer. Our best performing users earn around $15 a month, but this is only possible if you meet all factors mentioned above. At the moment, the maximum one can earn per phone is 500 points. This is in case the user has the phone running the app 24/7. the user is from the top countries and has the phone rooted. 500 points is $0, 5, making it $15 a month. We strive to bring more advertisers to allow us to raise this limit. Starting from the level 3, users can install games by himself, and from level 6, this will be happening in automatic mode. For each game installed, the user gets extra magic points, and you can install as many games as you want, even 5 a day. That will make an extra 500 points. All this means that the higher level you've reached, the more bonus points you can get. Again, there are some more facts on here, but these are the main ones asked. So that's why those are the ones that I choose to read out. But that's pretty much it. This is such a great app for making passive income automatically. And now it's time for our last and best app for today, which is available to both Android and iOS users, and which pays the highest out of all 3 apps. And this is Current.us. As you can see, you will be rewarded for occasionally playing music. You'll see on their main website that you want to earn while running or while you're working or whatever you're doing, and you can still listen to music in the background, and then boom, just like that, you're making a profit. As you can see, this program is now available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone, this is what the application logo will look like. So make sure you download and receive this exact app. In order to earn money for iOS, the same app is available for iPhone users as well. You can now listen to music whether or not you're connected to the internet. This is especially awesome because you do not have to pay anything to use the app. The service is entirely free, and you can earn points by listening to music you like, which you can then redeem for cash. Literally all you have to do is install the app, listen to music, earn more points, and then the more you play, the more music you listen to, the more money you're gonna make. So basically in your free time, you're getting paid just to listen to music, and you find hundreds of radio stations on here, so you can just chill and enjoy listening to music while getting paid. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.